It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. 5 reasons why your dog is always hungry. Some dogs can be quite food motivated, so it's natural for them to get excited about their meals. But if you think your dog may be too obsessed with food, that is, if your dog always barks and whines for food even after being fed, you may need to pay more attention and investigate this behavior further. These are some of the reasons why your dog is always hungry. 1. Improper diet. The food must fulfill its main function of providing correct nutrition to your dog's body. Both overfeeding and underfeeding will make your dog constantly hungry. Consult a pet nutritionist and choose a personalized diet plan based on your dog's needs and lifestyle. 2. Nutrient malabsorption. You may be feeding your dog a nutrient-rich diet, but if his body cannot absorb the nutrients, he will always demand more food. Nutrient malabsorption is caused by several reasons, including parasitic infections, gastrointestinal disorders such as inflammatory bowel syndrome, exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, bacterial overgrowth in the intestines, or even cancer. Consult your veterinarian and have him do a thorough checkup to find out the underlying reason for your dog's insatiability. 3. Metabolic and hormonal disorders. Diabetes causes a lack of insulin despite excess glucose in the dog's bloodstream. This traps glucose out of the body's cells and sends signals to the dog's brain indicating that he is still hungry. Insulin injections and dietary changes can help control diabetes. Hyperadrenocorticism, also known as Cushing's disease, is a hormonal disorder that causes excessive production of glucocorticoids, a hormone that helps dogs manage stress, resulting in increased appetite. Once diagnosed, your veterinarian will prescribe medications to control this condition. 4. Medications. This can be a bit of a complicated situation. If your dog takes medications such as thyroid supplements, sedative corticosteroids, or anticonvulsants, he may beg for food all the time. Ask your veterinarian to modify the dosage or consider an alternative medication. You can also feed your dog a suitable food, such as a low-glycemic vegetable, to manage the side effects of the prednisone medication. 5. Psychological factors. Perhaps your dog has learned the demanding behavior and is now using it to blame you and force you to feed him 24/7. Those puppy dog eyes are lethal, and they know it. You can correct this pattern by training yourself and your family members to stick to a vet-approved eating schedule. Don't hand out treats outside of meal and training hours. Use the wait command when necessary. Another reason why your dog is always hungry is because he feels insecure in his environment, which can manifest as anxiety. Any stress your dog may be experiencing can trigger his feast or famine mentality, making him want to eat everything he can find. You should identify the triggers that stress your dog and eliminate them whenever possible. So, the next time you notice your dog eating food in front of you and immediately asking for more, you can refer to this list you just learned and implement the action that best suits your dog. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.